Hi, this is Karolina with Rovithis Realty. I'm here on my newest listing at Mapleview Commons in Agawam. This beautiful condo is extremely modern and has hardwood floors throughout. Let's go check it out. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour of Unit 5B at Mapleview Commons in Agawam. If you have any questions about this property or any other property, you can contact me at the number down below. Here at Rovithis Realty, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.